rainfall amounts less than a tenth of an inch. Saturday night through Tuesday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of rain. Lows in the upper 30s to lower 40s. Highs in the mid to upper 50s. Chance of precipitation 50%. Wednesday, mostly cloudy. A chance of rain showers. Highs in the lower to mid 50s. Chance of precipitation 20%. Forecast high and low temperatures for Spokane. Today, 52. Tonight, 43. And on Friday, 54. Forecast high and low temperatures for Sandpoint. Today, 48. Tonight, 40. And on Friday, 51. Forecast high and low temperatures for Colville. Today, 50. Tonight, 39. And on Friday, 53. The 10 a.m. observations for the local area. At Spokane Airport, it was cloudy. The temperature was 48 degrees, the dew point 41, and the relative humidity 76%. The wind was southeast at 17 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.07 inches and falling. At downtown Spokane, light rain was falling and the temperature was 50 degrees. At Coeur d'Alene, light rain was falling. The temperature was 45 degrees, the dew point 43, and the relative humidity 93%. The wind was calm. The pressure was 30.12 inches and falling. In northeast Washington and the Idaho Panhandle, at Sandpoint, rain was...
Great Shakeout, guys. Great Shakeout, a.k.a. the Earthquake Drill.
This is a test of the emergency alert system and NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm. To participate in today's Great Washington Shakeout statewide earthquake, drop, cover, and hold now. Then follow your post-earthquake drill procedures. The following tones conclude this test.